Multiply and divide fractions. Multiply with whole numbers and fractions. Whole numbers can be made into fractions by putting them over 1. This becomes really handy when we are multiplying with a fraction and a whole number. So let's take a look at our examples. In example 1, we have 3/8 times 20. So we have a fraction and a whole number. We want to write these both as fractions. So this would be 3/8 times 20 over 1. So we now have our 20 written as a fraction. Now we want to reduce before we multiply. And I happen to notice that 8 and 20 have a common factor of 4. So 8 divided by 4 would be 2. 20 divided by 4 would be 5. I don't see anything else in common, so now I can multiply. I have 3 times 5, which would be 15, and 2 times 1, which would be 2. I double check my answer to make sure I have no common factors here, and I don't, so this is my answer. Let's take a look at example 2. This time I have 35 times 6/7. Again, I need to have my whole number written as a fraction. So I write 35 over 1 times 6/7. Now I'm looking for common factors, and I notice that 35 and 7 have a common factor of 7. So 35 divided by 7 is 5, and 7 divided by 7 is going to be 1. Now I just multiply this out. I have 5 times 6, which would be 30, and then I have 1 times 1 in the denominator, which would just be 1. Because this is a whole number, I cannot have my final answer to be written over 1. So we want to rewrite this as just a whole number, which means we drop the 1, and my answer then would be 30.